Today I have a company which has done well. It's an ethanol stock which has surged 18% after there was a 240% increase in the net profit, which was announced yesterday, which was the 13th of May. During yesterday's session, the company surged 18.3% on the BSE following the 240% net profit growth and 53% net profit growth year on year. Market cap of 1,085 crores. Uh, the stock closed at 769. This is basically the information. Reported revenue from operations at 355 crores, reflecting a growth of 25% quarter on quarter. From the previous quarter, it was Q3 FY25 at 283 crores, and year on year rise about 23% from 288 crores in Q4 FY24. The net profit increased to 71 crores in Q4, making 240% rise quarter on quarter from 21 crores reported in the previous quarter, which is an amazing jump. Sector wise, we'll go through more details. The distillery, these are individual details of the company that you can go through later if you wish. Magadh Sugar and Energy Limited is primarily engaged in the business of manufacturing and sale of sugar and its byproducts, molasses, bagasse, and fresh mud, denatured spirits including ethanol and power. Important disclaimer, we'll go through this before we show you the other slides or pictures, which will give you a more better indication of where and how the company stands. So, as all investment opinions and recommendations mentioned are solely those of the respective experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. These views do not reflect any personal opinion or advice. Market investments carry inheriting risk of financial loss. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any loss resulting from decisions based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Okay, this is the current price of the stock. Yesterday it closed at about 770 and today currently trading at about 766 as we present this video. Then moving on, you can see yesterday it surged 18%. So overall, you can see the stock is at a high with 17% from the last 5 days. Last 1 month, 11%. So there it was lower in the previous month. However, whatever gains that it has made is based on the yesterday. So whatever gains made yesterday still stand to cover the entire last 6 month period. Overall in the year, the stock has gained about 7.9%, overall showing that there was a negative return until yesterday before the stock surged. So based on the figures, I would suggest you to consult a financial stockbroker to gain the expert advice and see how this stock is deemed to be performing based on the industry trend and the growth of the company commentary if possible. Uh, this is it. Uh, then you can see ownership strength is slightly missing the benchmark. The stock is at a premium valuation at this point. The company can improve the employment of its assets. The company possesses stable growth history and manageable debt. You can see price to book value of 1.3, 1084 crores. The market value, book value is 492 rupees. Cash of 1 crore 7 lakhs. Debt of 636 crores, which is quite high compared to the market cap of the company. Promoter holding is at 61%. Earnings per share last 12 months is 78 rupees. Sales growth 15%, profit growth 131%, return on equity almost 17%. Incorporated in 2015, manufactures and sells sugar and its byproducts, denatured spirits and power. Then stock P of 10, which is good. Book value 592, dividend yield of 1.33%. return on equity shows from this side around 14 compared to 16 from the other side. Face value of the stock is 10 rupees. The company has delivered a poor sales growth of 7.61% over the last 5 years. Company has a low return on equity of 13% over the last 3 years. Company might be capitalizing the interest cost. Uh, you can see the comparison of the other peers in the market or in the on the exchange. EID Perry, then Balrampur Chini, Triveni Engineering Industries, Shri Renuka Sugar, Vanari, AMM Sugar, Dalmia Bharat, Bajaj Hindustan. So you can see the lowest in terms of price to earnings ratio is Dalmia Bharat and Magadh Sugar. The others are in range of 20, and there are a couple which have no range, and there are a couple which range above 40 and 50. So important here again is return on capital employed. Dalmia Bharat 10, Banari Sugar 12, Renuka Sugar 10, Triveni Engineering 15, Balrampur Engineering 13. So the highest in the industry is EID Perry 20%. And you can see sales have actually dropped compared to the previous quarter. Expenses do less. Operating profit has improved in the December quarter compared to the results announced in the Q4. Those are not yet updated here. However, you can see based on the net profit growth from 21 to about 71 crores, it's a huge jump. So it seems like it's a seasonal product uh, that maybe at a high peak during the summer season, and approaching the summer there may be good sale of sugarcane or molasses, that is ethanol blending that can be used. So again, seasonal production also may impact quite a lot. Then you can look at year-on-year sales, slight growth. Overall, you can see that there is growth based on the recent results, which are not updated on the site, but definitely there is a good upward trend. However, financial stock broker or advisor would give you the best sort of input. Sales growth 21%, profit growth of -6%, stock price growth of 9%, and return on equity of 14%, which so far seems to be the best in the last 10 years. Then reserves have increased by about 107 crores, which is good. Borrowings have also increased, so something that the company would need to keep a track of. Higher borrowing would lead to higher interest payments, and which would indirectly affect the profitability of the company. Then debtor days have reduced to 6, which is a good sign. Inventory days have also reduced to 282 days, a reduction of over 100 days, which is amazing and excellent. Company is able to pay its debtors and creditors and suppliers within 25 days, which is an amazing change. The cash conversion cycle from the previous about 11 months has reduced to 9 months, which is amazing again. Working capital reduced from about 7 months to down to about 6 months, so which is again a very good sign. Very good work being done by the company in terms of managing the financial ratios and important ratios. So public holding is about 38%, which is a very high number, which can lead to highly volatile stock price and highly volatile volume of exchange at the stock markets. So something that may not go down well. The company may find itself in the oversold zone quite easily when the sentiment turns negative for the company. So something that you should keep in mind. Stability can be offered by high promoter holding, Similarly, holdings from FIs and DIs, if they improve in the next quarters, then you can see a little bit of stability in the price as well as in the volume that would be traded in the exchanges. So, one last slide. This is the logo of the company. So thanks friends for watching the video. Please share this with your friends, family and associates, those who benefit from the video. Please also share your valuable feedback as to how to make the video more informed or with more information, something that would help you in making a good analysis of the stocks. So thank you for watching. Wish you a good week ahead and we'll connect with another video tomorrow. Thank you.